To deactivate TalkBack on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first we need to learn how to navigate on the phone when the TalkBack is enabled, so that we can actually, go through different menus and find TalkBack. So what you need to know about the navigation with TalkBack is that any option that you can see on the screen, like any button, any option, anything that can be selected, has to be selected first by tapping once on that thing, and then you need to double tap in order to confirm your choice. So for example, if you use buttons for navigation, then we can tap on, for example, this button once and then double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm that this is what we want to use. So if you want to start, for example, from the home screen, then of course we can start by opening the list of background apps and then we can turn them off. Now, in case you use gestures, then what you need to know is that any gesture that you perform on the screen on your phone has to be performed with 2 fingers instead of just 1. So for example, this also includes even if you have buttons for navigation, but if you want to scroll up or down, go to the next page, etc., then you just use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So for example, we can swipe like this with 2 fingers in order to close these apps. So let's go ahead and let's start from the home screen. Now I have settings in here, but I'm gonna go to the app drawer instead. So of course, with 2 fingers, we're gonna swipe up and we're gonna scroll down with 2 fingers as well in order to find settings. We need to tap on settings once and then double tap. Over here, we can just scroll down in order to go to additional settings. So tap once and double tap. And then we're gonna tap on accessibility once and then double tap. Tap on vision once and double tap. There we go. Tap on the TalkBack once and double tap. And then we have the switcher, so we're gonna tap on it once, of course, and then double tap. And we also need to confirm, so tap once on the turn off and a double tap. And finally, TalkBack is deactivated. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.